Hey, I'm Simon with AirBeamTV and I'm here in my home office to show you how to mirror your phone screen into Chrome browser so that you can share it in Zoom. So let's get into it. So with video conferencing on the rise, there's plenty of times when I want to show my phone screen to the people I'm talking to, but I don't want to have to do this. Can you see this? Thankfully, AirBeamTV has an app for that, which you can download for free and test out for free for 5 minutes to see if it works for you. First things first, we need to install the mirroring app onto our iPhone or iPad. So head into the App Store and search for AirBeamTV, and then you will find Mirror to Mac or Windows PC. Go ahead and download that. As I say, there is a 5-minute free trial, so you can mirror for 5 minutes just to see if it works for you. Once that's installed, let's head over to our computer and ensure that we have Chrome browser installed. If you don't, a simple search or Google will reveal Chrome browser, which is made by Google. So go ahead and install that. Once we know we've got Chrome installed on our computer, we can head back to our phone and open the Mirror Mac PC app for the first time. And we will see it has presented us with a code. Now we'll hop back over to Chrome browser and we will head to start.airbeam.tv, and immediately that code should be displayed in the little box. If it isn't, you can just go ahead and type that into the box in the browser. All we do then is click connect, head back over to our phone where it will say you are connected to the browser on your Mac PC. Let's mirror your screen, and then we go ahead and press start mirroring and start broadcast, and it'll give us a little 3, 2, 1 countdown, and once it's done, voila, my phone is now in my browser. So everything that happens on my phone screen will be seen in my browser. Nice. So now that we have our screen mirrored into the Chrome browser, we can share it in our video conferencing app of choice. Today, we're in Zoom. Here's a delightfully hand-selected group of the AirBeam team in a Zoom meeting. And next to that is my phone screen mirrored. So if I want to show these guys my screen, all I need to do in Zoom is go down to Share Screen. And in Zoom, you can actually select what part of your screen you want to share. So in this case, it's the Google Chrome window. So if I click that and then share, then hopefully you can see my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
We're getting thumbs ups and nods across the board. Wonderful.
Simon, can you maybe scroll a bit down?
Yep, absolutely. Within Zoom, you can also draw on this. If you go up here to annotate, then I can draw on the screen like that. Simple. And that's how easy it is. As ever, if you have any questions, thoughts, or queries, feel free to get in touch with us via Facebook Messenger or email. In the meantime, as ever, happy mirroring.